Okay, I'd like to go through how to interpret from a graph whether a reaction is first, second, or zero order. So the first thing is, let's say you collect some data, and so you have a graph, and so you have like let's say some sort of concentration of substance A, and you're seeing how concentration of substance A changes over time. And if that concentration substance A over time makes a straight line, then you know that it's zero order. If a concentration of A over time is a straight line, then it's zero order. Okay, now if you do a concentration of substance A over time again, and instead of being a straight line, it's more of a curve, then it could be first or second order. So what you need to do to figure out whether it's first or second is to take your concentration, and if you take the natural log of that concentration of substance A again over time, and that turns it into a straight line, then you have a first order reaction. Okay, now if you try the natural log and that doesn't turn it into a straight line and it's still a curve, you can try doing this. And if you take 1 over the concentration and that results in a straight line going this way, and that there would be time here, then that's an indication that you have second order. So let's review a little bit. If you have a graph with concentration over time and it's a linear relationship, and you then you know it's zero order, and the slope of the line, the slope will actually be equal to, oops, I didn't spell slope right. Its slope would be equal to a negative k. Okay, if you try concentration over time when it's a curve, it's a good chance that it's first or second order. So you could try the natural log of A over time, and if that turns out to be a straight line, the slope of that is negative k. Negative k is the slope. And if you try the natural log and that still doesn't turn it into a straight line, you could try 1 over the concentration, and if that turns it into a straight line, then you have second order reaction. And then your slope is equal to a positive k. So k would be equal to a positive k. And so that's how you tell if you have a zero, first, or second order reaction, by looking at the line after you might have to do some things to it if it's not zero order to see if it's first or second. That's it.